Welcome to a new part of the ISM Statistics 1 exercises, this time with an exercise on measures of central tendency. Let's take a closer look at the exercise. A sample of YouTube videos is considered. The number of viewers in 10,000 is reported below. What should we do with this data set? Well, exercise here, calculate the median and the arithmetic mean of the data set. Okay, let's do this. First off, however, we start and need to order our data set. So we consider this data set and arrange this in an ascending order. So we select the smallest value, 0.3, erase this from the original data set, then the next largest one, 1.8, 9.6, 8.5, 9.6, 15, and so forth. We do this for all the different data points, always erasing them from the data set so that no one of the values is considered more than once. And here, finally, we have an arranged and ordered data set. Why do we need this arranged or ordered data set? Well, let's first consider this, copy this here, because it makes it easier to calculate the median. To calculate the median, however, we first need to decide which of the two formulas for the median we actually need to use. As we can see here, there are two formulas and then differentiate in a way they can be applied. One can be applied only for even numbers of observations, the other one only for odd numbers of observations. Well, let's consider the data set. Here we can see we have 10 observations, so we have an even number. And this means we need to consider the first formula. For the first formula, we need two different indices. First off is 1/2 n, so 0.5 times 10 is 5, and the other one is +1 of the first one, so means 6. So we need to consider the fifth and the sixth data point in this ordered data set. What's the fifth data point? That's the 15.0, and the sixth is the 20.7. So inserting this in the formula means we add 15 to 20.7, add them up, and divide all of this by 2, or multiply this with 1/2, leading us to the result of a median of 17.85. This then already concludes the first half of this exercise. Let's move on to the second part of the exercise. First off, we again consider the ordered data set, and for calculation of the arithmetic mean, we simply add up all of the data points and divide them by the number of observations. So here we have 10 observations, so divide the sum by 10. As we can see here, adding up all of the numbers, dividing them by 10, leads to a result of 47.848. This then is our arithmetic mean, and also the solution for the second part of this exercise, which is thereby concluded. And I hope all of you enjoyed listening and learned at least something from this exercise. Until next time, and see you, goodbye.